Hello, everybody. It's welcome to our new webinar, and we're going to talk about our NEXREV coin, our smart contract, and what's coming up very soon. And that is our new page for raising funds. It'll be crowdfunding, and you can just go there and buy coins with your credit card. It's starting as low as 20 bucks, any amount you want, and that we're going to use those funds to build out the rest of the system, so that we have all of the blockchain done, we have our exchange done, we have our incorporation in Singapore, all the things that we need to do, our marketplace, so that we can give you a little mini Amazon and everything that's part of it. And we are NEXREV. And we may be changing the name because NEXREV is copyrighted by another company, so I'm thinking GETREV. That's going to be our new domain for the crowdfunding page for buying coins. It's going to be at GETREVCOIN.com, just to give you a heads up. That isn't yet, but it's coming. It'll be coming very soon. Let's start what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency, or crypto for short, is a digital asset. It's designed to work as a medium of exchange wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in the form of a computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transactional records and to control the creation of new coins and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Now, do you know how many dollars are out there, or if they've been created? You have no idea, and neither does the United States. That's the problem. Fiat money, you need to have some control of money in order to have real money. You notice the inflation going on. That's because they threw too many dollars out there. Cryptocurrency marketing is young, yet it has a promising future. It's been forecasted to reach as much as 10.75 trillion by 2027. NEXREV should help add to the market with our new crypto merchant solution. What we're doing is we're building the merchant account right into the blockchain, so you can use your credit card instantly and buy your coins. You don't have to go buy any other coin to buy our coin. You just go buy it, and it's so simple. We want to keep everything simple. What is the blockchain? The blockchain technology has given rise to a new digital currency, and it is Web 3.0. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other altcoins, or 4,000 to be exact, cryptocurrencies. All these cryptocurrencies are developed by cryptocurrency developers, paid for by the businesses. So we got 4,000 competition, but not one of them has built the merchant account into the blockchain. We'll be the first one. So you'll notice our coin rising just like our developer, Zillionics. Isn't it Zillionics? Okay, Zillionics, and they have a page where they do crowdfunding too. They're trying to raise 4.5 million, whereas we're only trying to raise 1.5. So I think we'll be better, faster than them, and get everything done. We should have your tokens within 30 days or so. What is a blockchain wallet? A wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store and manage Bitcoin, Ether, NEXREV tokens, cryptocurrency. Blockchain wallet can also refer to wallet services provided by the blockchain. Blockchain wallet allows transfers of cryptocurrencies and the ability to convert them back into local currency. That's a great thing. You can just boom, right back into local currency. Crypto tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that represents an asset. It's a coin. A token is a coin is a token. If you want to reserve your tokens, you can go to that fund, that either buy a smart contract and get 10% a month, or go to the open the crowdfunding, reservation for tokens there, and get 10% a month on that. We're going to give 10% a month because you're waiting for the tokens. Once you get the tokens out, we're going to stop it on people that bought it at the crowdfunding. Okay, tokens can be used for investment purposes, store value, to make a purchase. That's with our merchant account, created through the initial coin offering. That's the ICO, what we're doing with the crowdfunding. That's crowdfunding ICO, that's initial coin offering, often used to raise funds for crowd sales. There you go. Now, we've already tested our token, and our developer did it on his blockchain because ours is not completed yet. But it worked fine. It's the same code. Everything's exactly the same. And NEXREV token is a virtual currency token, or a denomination of a cryptocurrency. It represents a tradable asset utility. It resides on its own blockchain and allows holders to use it as an investment for economic purposes. NXV, that's our symbol for our token, and is now available at MetaMask, and you can now send, receive, or transfer NXV wallet. There are only 10,000 of them. I don't know if there's any left, but you can check. MetaMask is a wallet, actually. NEXREV wallet is a software used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency, and enables users to interact with various blockchain networks. Now, this is not the wallet we're going to be using for our coin. This is just a wallet, like any wallet. We have a special wallet that's going to be given us by Zillionics, and we can download it at their website, and we'll show it to you next time. And that's going to be where you'll have all of your tokens, and that's going to be a good thing. But they're locked for the 18-month period. How much is the market cap? Now, market cap calculation is very simple. All you have to do is take the total coins in circulation and multiply them by the value of the coin. So if you have 1 million coins times 5 cents, well, I know we'll be up from there. The price will go up very soon, so if you want to buy them for 5 cents, now's the time to start buying them. Because we don't set the price. The market sets the price. We're going to be on Binance. We're going to be on many, because we're going to be on the main. What TestNet is, there's a main net, and that's where you have to be in order to be on other exchanges. So TestNet is important, but the main net is the important one. That's where you share your API with the charting companies, so they can rate you and get a value for your coin, and that depends on a lot of things, transparency, but mostly on the amount of how much you have in sales of the coin every day, and it keeps adding up. Now with our merchant account, that's going to be adding to our sales every day, so our value of our coin will go up faster. Now, NEXREV is proud to introduce the NXV token. It's a supplemental instrument aimed to progress further development of the platform, allowing the members of the community to influence NEXREV's progress. Oh, by the way, Zillionics, their coin is already worth $1.24. $1.24. Now, if they can do it with what they're doing, they're creating a new Ethereum, just like others have tried to do, but they're using AI to do it, and they've got a very unique system, and we'll be using that system, and it's going to be great for everybody. So it's going to save money, and it's going to speed up transactions. It'll do 1 transaction a second, and that's the fastest ever been done. Now here's our corporation seal, and NEXREVCOIN owns our own blockchain, leaving open endless opportunities to create tokens, coins, and smart contracts for other companies. I notice a few of our competitors don't have their own token, don't have their smart contracts on the blockchain. We would be able to provide that functionality if they want to work with us. We can create our own blockchain, and now that's big for all of us. Our blockchain coders are top notch, and they can do just about anything we want. It's adding the merchant account right into the blockchain, and they're going to take the 15% referral fee that they get for setting up our corporation in Singapore, and they're going to discount our payment by 15%, so we're going to save that money. That's how much they believe in us. We'll take them out to dinner. They're an hour away from us, and we'll give them their final payment. That's going to be a fun day when we can say thank you and for all the work you did. Now, this is TestNet I was talking about earlier. TestNet is where you can test your coin, but this is not going to get you on exchanges. You need to be on the main net in order to be on exchanges, and that's what our coders are going to do for us, our developer in Japan. I can't pronounce his name, so I'm not even going to try. In the blockchain technology, TestNet is an instance of the blockchain powered by the same or newer version of the underlying software to be used in testing and experiment of NEXREV token without the risks to the real funds or the main coin chain. And that's the important thing. There is no interference of the main coin chain. So you can see we ran our first example of the coin, and it worked perfectly. We had no problems, and this Explorer and the version is the same version that's on the main net, and that's where we have to get our coin as soon as we hit the market. So that's when we hit the big time, when we can get on Binance and the big exchange in the US, Coinbase, that's whatever the name is. What is a smart contract? It's a financial instrument that runs on the blockchain. It's known as a smart contract. It is set up to pay out daily profitability. Wait a minute. Enable some. I'm having some feedback here on my mic. I want to make sure I did it right. Okay, it's right. All right, smart contracts are like time deposit. They're remarkably similar. However, smart contracts are built to function on the blockchain, and the blockchain, by law, is considered the law. So if we don't honor the contract, if you take it to court, instantly you win because the blockchain is law. And we have enormous potential for success. The daily profit is determined by the contract you select. The 18-month contract profit is 180% you earn, and that's by doing nothing. Now that's real inflation protection. I never thought when we started that we would need that kind of money to just safeguard against inflation. It's running so rampant now, it's going to be higher than it's ever been before, and it's already at 40-year levels, and like it was in the 70s and early 80s. It was ridiculous inflation. It was the most rampant thing I ever saw. Now, no crypto coin value. The number of nodes or wallets has a big impact on the value of the coin. A wallet is for storing any number of coins. The node means there's more chance you have for big volume daily. So if you have a lot of nodes, like we will because of the merchant account, because we're going to leave a few coins in every wallet that we use so that those nodes are active and they show up on our website. So we're going to show you how many wallets we have, how much our daily volume is, how much is in our account to pay out to members. All of that is coming. As soon as we start the fundraising and we get that started, you'll see the crowdsourced fundraising and page, and then you'll see everything. Now, we'll assign a debit card to each wallet, making NEXREV the only crypto coin that can be spent instantly at any merchant accepting the debit card. So you can either use a credit card or our debit card and buy anything you want that'll be on our marketplace. And when you see that, you'll be excited. The transaction fees on the debit card will make the attractive to use and will offset any merchant fees, allowing us to offer our merchant account free to any business. Free accounts means more volume. So by those little fees, what we're doing is offsetting giving away a merchant account to a business free for a month so they can try it and see if they like the safety, because once somebody buys a crypto coin, they can't charge back. That's the beauty of crypto. So if you buy, $100 worth of crypto coins, 2,000 coins, the nickel a coin, and you buy something with that, you're not able to charge that back because it's crypto. That's kind of a new rule that's the merchant choose. So just to let you know, it's the protection against chargebacks. Now this tells you what you get when. Now the average deposit that people put in is $1,000. Now your interest is it shouldn't be interest. Your profit is 10%. Profit is 10%, and it's $1,100. I didn't want to do that. I want to go back. Now you can't go backspace. Sorry. Okay. Now I gotta go. Okay, there we go. All right. Now it's 10 shares. What are we giving you? We're giving you 10 shares of our stock that we value at $100 per share. Now, you're not going to be able to sell it at $100 a share. That's the value we're putting on it. Let's say we sell the company in a year, and somebody wants to buy us because of that merchant account feature and the growth of our company. Now you would be paid for those shares, whatever we're paid for those shares. I don't know how much it will be, but it'll be significant enough for you to get extra money for it. Now the price of the average one is $1,000, and then 10% a month would be $1,100 the first month, then $200 the second month, $300 the third month, and $1,800 after 18 months. Now, NEXREVCOIN, you would get 20,000 coins at $1,000. Now, if by chance the coins went up to $1 a piece, that would be $20,000. Now, remember, our developer's already at $1.24. So if we can come anywhere near what he's doing, we'll be in good shape, and being connected to Zillionics is a big deal for us because that gives us more credibility. We're listed on their website. If you give the link there to Zillionics so they can see we're listed there. We're right on the front page. Got a banner so that you know that we're part of that company. And your monthly earning with your bonus, you get $100 extra for your 10%. You get a 10% bonus. Price per share is $100, 10% bonus, and that's a good thing. Your annual profit then is 180% plus $100. So that's a one-time payment, but still it's a bonus. Now, if you go down to, let's say, $5,000, you get 50 shares. That'd be 5,000. That'd be 5,000 in shares. If they were $100 a piece, your monthly interest 10%. It should be profit, and that's 5,500. And that's NEXREV coins. You're going to get 100,000 NEXREV coins. Now, imagine at $1 a piece. I think you'd be dancing in the street with that. And $5,500, and remember, you get the $100 added to that. That's your bonus. And let's go all the way down to $10,000, because some people have put that much money in. And you'd get 100 shares of stock. That'd be another $10,000. 10% a month, and that'd be you'd get $1,000 per month at that level. You'd get 500,000 coins. You get 500,000 coins. So that's the wrong number there. 500,000 coins. You'd get $11,100 for your. That would be your starting money, because of the $100 being added on. So it's remarkable how much money you can make at this. If we can get the value up, and we will. You watch and see. We're going to get the value of this coin up. Once we open our marketplace, once people are using that merchant account that's been embedded in the blockchain, and that's so secure, nobody can hack that. Nobody can get your information. And eventually, in Web 3.0, the whole internet is going to be built on the blockchain. You can quickly increase your daily profit amount by either adding more money to your account or by earning commissions as a result of referring others. And that's the best part. Now, for example, you could start with $100 and work your account referring just one person who gets the average of $1,000, and your commission would greatly increase by $100. By doing this method, you would earn and build your account. You can put more money in, or just refer somebody who puts $1,000 in. You earn 10% of that, or $100. And with the crowdfunding site, you're going to earn 10% of whatever your referrals put into the crowdfunding site as well. Referring others is not required to earn passive income by opening a NEXREV smart contract. You'll earn anyway. Those who choose to refer others will be rewarded a percentage of the contract amount by those who refer through 10 levels of referral members. Referral commissions will appear in your funding account, where they will draw profit but can be withdrawn at any time. Now we're going to be changing these amounts because they're too large. We're going to go broke if we pay that much money. We are going to pay 10% on level 1. We'll lower level 2 and all the way down. 10% on level 1 will be lowering all the way down. 10% on level 1, lowering all the way down, but you will still get paid on 15 levels. It'll just be less that you get paid. But it's still good money, and offers start at 10% from level 1. So the main thing is you'll get 10% on level 1. You refer somebody, you're going to get 10% of anything they put in, whether it's on the crowdfunding site or whether it's at... Now this is the one I like the best. This tells you how we make the money, so that you know we can pay you. Now we're going to open the marketplace. That's the mini Amazon. Now we'll be able to offer you our merchant account there. You can use PayPal. You can use your own merchant account. We'll help you set that up. And you can sell your products. You can even open your own custom store there. Now how we do it is we add 10% to whatever price you put on it, and then you're selling your products for free, because when we sell it, the 10% is already included in the price. So if you had a car for $1,000 and you add 10% to that car, it's $100. Then we take the $100, we give you the $1,000. Bingo, you got $1,000 for your car. You paid nothing to advertise your car on our marketplace. We're the only marketplace that you don't have to pay to sell. Our 2x2 money maker matrix, we place 3 positions in each matrix for the marketplace. I mean for the escrow account, so that when those positions pay out, we take that money and we put it into the escrow account, so you can make sure that you're going to get paid. We get paid for advertising. Part of that money goes into the escrow account so that you can make it. Now, crypto profits, that's where we make the most money. What we do in our exchange is we choose coins that are going to go up in value. We have a method of finding the right coins that go up in value, and then the profits that we make, we put into the smart contract. And of course, when NEXREV volatility, when NEXREV goes up in value, we'll sell some coins off so that we'll bring the price down so that you get more coins, and that money goes into the escrow account to pay you your money. So you always know you're going to get money. Now the exchange makes enormous profits. Exchanges alone can make millions of dollars a year. So right there, we can give you the money. We're not going to do fiat trading, I don't think. But every payment that's made, we have to charge a fee on that, or transaction costs. Like at the crowdfunding website, we're going to be charging $5 for every transaction made there. We have to. That goes to the exchange, and that goes to creating the fuel to create the tokens. You know, there's costs in everything that we do. And then the referrals and NEXREV volatility, exchange profits. Oh my God, that's where money is. Consumer to consumer sales, 3-tier smart contracts, exchange trading. We're going to have a trading platform there. We'll teach you how to trade coins like we're doing. And we can even loan out money, but we have to have collateral for it. Now, the exchange profits, this is the big one, because the coins, like I told you, we pick, they're going to go up in value, and then we sell them off, and then we put that money into the escrow account, and that will keep growing and growing the escrow account. And as the value of NEXREV goes up, that goes into the escrow account as well. I mean, you know, there's no way we can't make the money to pay you. It'd be impossible. I mean, there's money coming at us in so many places. We can even take a profit for the company, and that's a good thing too. Now, how do the exchanges look to price a coin? Now, this is important. The volume. Well, we'll have big volume because of our merchant account. Everybody who uses a merchant account to buy something on the marketplace, that'll go into the daily volume, and exchanges would link to our API. That's a public access when we get on the main net, and we would have data candles every minute of every day, set up every minute throughout the day. If we do this, that's real transparency, and usually a new coin will not have data candles every minute, but we're going to do it right from day one because we want to show that we're transparent and we're the real deal, and that'll bring the price of our coin up faster. Now, our transparency rating needs to be A. That means our data candles have to show our real numbers, and we can't do dual transactions. In other words, if you come in and buy Bitcoin to buy another coin, we're going to show that as 2 transactions, not 1. That's the proper way to do it. You know, because you bought the Bitcoin to buy another coin, so that was 2 transactions. And that's honest way to do it. Best valuation will even display the amount we're holding in the escrow account to pay the smart contract accounts right on the website. So when you see where we're getting ready to do that, where right on the main page, you'll see the amount in the escrow account. You'll see our transparency rating. The plan, we have the plan. We'll put that back up on the website. We had it before, but we'll put it back up there. But we already have the white paper. You can read that and get an idea of how everything works. And then our legal structure, we're gonna incorporate as well in Singapore. So we're going to be an international company. We'll have a bank account in Singapore, and we'll have a merchant account in Singapore. That'll be a big deal, and that we can link right to our blockchain and make that part of our blockchain, and that will be the only company that has that. And now, if you act now, you're going to get a 10% bonus for every smart contract you open. And you can open them from $100 up to $10,000. You take your pick. The idea is endless. Now, if you need help with deciding what's best for you, always best to call our number on our website. One of the agents will help you decide what's best for you. NEXREV smart contracts will protect you against inflation. 10% a month, 180% for 18 months. That's going to give you your inflation money back. If you calculate your income and you put enough into a smart contract to offset inflation, you'll have all of your inflation money back. The ability to earn money with your smart contract plus the ability to leverage commissions that you earn as a result of giving others the opportunity to leverage their money through a smart contract could allow you to create a nice little nest egg for your future retirement. Now, are there any questions? Please type them into the box and we'll be glad to answer. Now remember, you can get a smart contract from $100, as small as $100 up to $10,000, any amount in between. So you can pick your amount, and to get started, if all you got's $100, get started for $100, but get started, because that 10% adds up quickly and it gives you more coins. And the more coins you get, when the value of the coin goes up, that means you get paid that value. So if it goes up to $1 and you have 100 coins, that's 2,000 coins. Hey, that's better than nothing. That's $2,000 for 100 if we go up to $1 a coin. I can't promise that, but you know that it's very possible for us. If you just go to Zillionics, and I think the car gave the link on. Oh, she didn't give the link for Zillionics. You can give that one. That's fine. That's fine. Are we linked on there? Let me see. Let me see the page. Go to the top. Go to the top. I want to make sure we're linked on there. No, their main page, Zillionics. Just Zillionics. Just take the other to Zillionics.com. Hang on a minute. I'm helping the car to get the right one. Hi, Larry. You make Zillionics.com. Huh? Is that Zillionics.com? Okay, go to the top of the page, front page. We should be listed right on the back page. We should be listed right on the top. That's the fundraising page. No, Zillionics.com. Yes, that's it. Now put that in. That shows that we're partners with Zillionics, and that's a big deal. Being a partner with Zillionics, that's going to give us big credibility and help us to raise the value of the coin very quickly, and that's why I wanted to show you this. If you take a look at it, you'll see for yourself. Sorry that it takes so long, but that's important. Now, next thing is how to get a hold of us. Where do you join? Go to www.nexrevsales.co, not .com, .co. And then if you want to email us, sales@nexrevsales.co. Our telephone number is right on the website, 904-902-0141. And if you can't get signed up, just call the office and we'll have an agent sign you right up and get you into the website so you can get started now. I mean, there's no sense in waiting. Get started now so you can at least get your feet in the water. And then you can decide how much you want to go with. But you got to get your feet in the water first. Now, I thank you so much for attending the webinar. I hope you've got some more information. And remember, we're going to have GETREVCOIN.com. GETREVCOIN.com. That's where our crowdfunding site will be. And you can buy any number of coins you want. And we'll have some suggested amounts already linked. And you can pick those, or you can pick any amount you want. And it starts at $20, and there's a $5 transaction fee, and that's for creating the cryptos. What you're doing is reserving your token. You're not going to get the token right there and then. You're reserving your token so we can raise the money to finish the coding and get everything done so that you can have the token and have everything that you need. So that's how we'll do it. We've been trying to raise funds through investors, but it seems hard to get money from out there today. People just don't have money. This way we can do it in little amounts, $20, $50, $100. Those add up, and it'll add up very quickly. And we can pay the rest of our blockchain, which is only $12,000, believe it or not. So the first $12,000 will go right to the blockchain and get our tokens run and get us on. And then we have to pay more to get on mainnet, but we will pay that and get on mainnet, because that's where we need to be to get on all the other charting companies and everywhere we need to be. So see us soon, and you'll be able to put in our NXV token and see what we're worth on the exchanges, and we'll start at 5 cents because that's our value. All right, I thank you so much for being on the call. This has been a wonderful experience. I'll be back on Thursday. I do the call every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm glad to do it. It's a lot of fun for me. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a great night. Bye-bye.